what's going on, y'all? Welcome to Meat Cranium. Today I'm going to be doing the cook. This is the day after I did the unboxing, and what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be filling the bottom up with some coals, and I'm going to be doing some chicken and some beef kebabs on here just to see how how the heat is distributed inside the container here. I'm also going to give my official, I had a 24 hours to think about it, what my suggestion is for a lid for the Lifedoo Portable Grill. Anyhow, let's get started. Alright, so I decided to go with some lump charcoal today. The reason being is because, well, it was the first thing I could grab, and I think it would probably be pretty good. It's a little bit hotter, and I think it would do pretty good in this kind of format right here. So let's get these kebabs on. Alright, well, it's starting to rain a little bit, so I had to move this up underneath my carport here a little bit. So, but it's all good. Let's do some chicken on here. Chicken ones. There we go. There's 4 chickens. Go with some steak. This one is picanha. That one, there's all picanha right there. That's gonna be good. So that's gonna be absolutely awesome. Okay, so while these cook, my idea for a lid to go on top of here is basically the same exact thing that this is, just flipped upside down. You just won't have the legs. It would just be a triangle with a flat bottom. It would just be a solid piece instead of a grate. It'd be just a solid piece. You'd flip it over, then you have a couple of handles on the side to lift it up and out of the way, and that's how you do it. And you can put a vent on the side as well. And that's how you would do the, that's how you could do it. So it looks like we're getting that fat, that picanha is starting to drip down to them coals. I like that, that's good. It's a good thing. So yeah, I'm liking this grill so far. I just want to see if the heat goes all the way to the sides over here and over here, or if it's just concentrated here in the middle, or if it's going to kind of come out to the sides here. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. Turn this. Oh yeah, that was still real nice. Picanha. There we go. Okay, so far, if you can tell, the heat looks like it's concentrated. Looks like it got some heat over here, but over here, the heat's not really going over to. Over on the sides, on the edge over here, there's really not getting any kind of heat. Over here, stuff's still kind of raw. So it's all kind of concentrated here in the middle. Alright, so I'm going to move these kind of in the middle. Alright, so the picanha is looking really nice. Chicken is it's cooking. Probably gonna add another piece here. Add another skewer. Ooh, that's a little hot. Don't do that, dummy. It's pretty full. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 skewers on there. Alright, so the steak kebabs are done. I'm taking those off. The chicken here's done, and these are not done. So probably if I do chicken again, I won't go as wide. So I'm gonna have to reconfigure the how far I have the chicken on there. But the picanha is done. That's the most important. I added a few more pieces of lump here. So I started getting kind of low. 2 more chicken skewers. Alright, so far so good. I'm going to configure some more of these around right here. Maybe move some of these to the outside. I think this one's probably done. Nope, not done yet. So the chicken still goes. All right, to give you guys an update, I just kind of changed the configuration because over here wasn't getting cooked all the way. So I went ahead, I took the bars that holds the grate up, I put one there, put one there, and now I'm laying them this way so they kind of cook even, and it's going to get them cooked a lot quicker. I probably should have done that to begin with. However, you know, I just want to test to see if it actually would, you know, cook even, but it didn't. So pretty much has to stay inside this channel. If it goes outside this channel, it doesn't. It cools off pretty quick. So these will get done here the next couple minutes. But I already pulled the beef off. The beef is awesome. I only have 2 left right here. That's the only beef ones I got left. Okay, so this seemed to do the trick. Everything seems to be cooking a lot quicker. You can actually still do kebabs going this way. Just make sure that you don't have as wide of you know, your kebabs aren't, the meat's not as wide. It's more kind of condensed down in the middle, probably about 5 or 6 inches wide. Then you should be good to go. This right here is cooking fantastic, and I just put the old ones over here just to kind of heat them up a little bit. But yeah, man. Final thoughts. All right, y'all. So final thoughts is the Lifedoo Portable Grill. Good. I give my thumbs up. Now there are some few things that they need to change about this. Tommy from Gallery Backyard Barbecue, he was telling me in the comment section that if it's kind of breezy, that your ashes will kind of like blow around, and that's probably not safe. But I do think that the lid will solve all the problems. Anyhow, like, subscribe. I'll see you hopefully next week. Ciao.